Hi friends, this video shows how to remap this YouTube and Netflix buttons. So first let me go to this apps tab, go down. So we need to install this app, button mapper. I already installed this app from App Store, see. So let me go to home screen, then open this button mapper app, then select add buttons. Again select add buttons. First I am going to remap this YouTube button. Press this YouTube button. See, YouTube button has been added here. Button 3 190. Select it. Then select no thanks here. Then first we need to enable that customize option. Let me again go to this button 3, then enable this customize. Done. Then select single tap. Then here in this actions drop down, we have to select applications. Then go down. So I am going to remap this to open Prime Video app. So if I press this YouTube button, it has to open Prime Video app. Okay, done. Then go back. Let me add second button. Again select add buttons. I am going to remap this Netflix. Select Netflix. Press this Netflix button. See, this is a Netflix button. Button 4 191. Select it. Again select no thanks. Select customize and enable. Select single tap. Select these applications from drop down. Then here I am going to select one app. Let me select this Geo Hotstar. So when I press this Netflix button, it has to open Geo Hotstar. Done. Let me go to home screen. Then I am going to test this. So first I am going to press this YouTube button. It has to open Amazon Prime, right? Let me press. See, it's working. So let me go to home screen. Next I am going to test this Netflix button. Let me press this Netflix button. It has to open Geo Hotstar. See, it's working. So this way we can remap. Please try this. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.